Hello friends, welcome to lesson 55 from the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. We start off this lesson with a D minor chord. That is finger 1, string number 1, fret number 1, finger 2, string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 3, string number 2, fret number 3. We also need the open 4th string. The notes we have here are D, A, D again, and F, which forms a D minor. That position is going to be there for the entire measure number 1. And then we have a finger picking pattern that makes all the magic happen. We are going to have two finger picking patterns. The first one is thumb, index, and middle. That is thumb on the 4th, index on the 3rd, and middle on the 2nd one. That covers beat 1. Thumb, index, middle. And then beat 2 starts with the ring finger on string number 1, middle finger on string number 2, and index finger on string number 3. That is ring, middle, index. A, M, I. So we got beat 1, thumb, index, middle. Beat 2, ring, middle, index. Beat 3 is a repetition of beat 2, ring, middle, index, and then beat 4, also a repetition of the second pattern, ring, middle, index. So we have two finger picking patterns. The first one on beat 1, we play it once, and the second one we play it 3 times for beats 2, 3, and 4. Let's hear measure 1 without any breaks between beats. And that finger picking pattern is going to be consistent throughout the piece. We are only going to be changing the string we play with the thumb. But all the other fingers, index, middle, and ring fingers, are going to always play the same strings. Let's see measure number 2. For that measure, we are going to remove fingers 1 and 3 and bring finger 2 from string number 3 to string number 2. Same fret, number 2. We are going to use open 5th, open 3rd, and open 1st. Finger picking pattern 1, thumb, index, middle, finger picking pattern 2, 3 times. Ring, middle, index, A, M, I, A, M, I. All together sounds like this. To go into measure 3, we're going to keep finger 2 right where we have it. String number 2, fret number 2. We are going to add finger 1 on string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 4 on string number 1, fret number 3. The thumb on the right hand is going to play open 5th. This position gives us A, C sharp, and G. Finger picking pattern remains the same. Thumb, index, middle for the first beat, and then ring, middle, index for the other beats. Let's hear that measure 3 once again without breaks. And then we have measure number 4, which has the very first position we played in the lesson. Finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 1, finger 2 on string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 3 on string number 2, fret number 3. The thumb on the right hand is going to play open 4th string. Finger picking pattern, thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index. Let's hear that again. Moving on to measure 5, we're going to keep finger 2 right where we have it, string number 3, fret number 2, remove finger 3, bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and add finger 3 on string number 1, fret number 2. That way we have D, A, C, F sharp. The finger picking patterns are the same. Thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index. Let's hear that again. Let's go back to measure 4 to see the transition from measure 4 to 5. I'm going to play measures 4 and 5 without any breaks. So going back to the D minor shape for measure 4. And that was measure 4 and 5. Then we go to measure number 6. Here we're going to need the open 5th string again, but we're going to bring finger 1 into a half-barre shape. We're going to use finger 1 to press 3 strings at the same time. Strings number 1, 2, and 3. All of them on fret number 3. This can be a little challenging, a little tricky, and a little painful if you have never done it, but with practice you will achieve it. I am 100% sure of it. With that position, we keep the finger picking pattern the same. Thumb, index, middle, ring, in, middle, index, ring, middle, index, ring, middle, index. Let's hear that again. And then measure number 7, we are going to need finger number 2 on string number 2, fret number 2, and open 5th, open 3rd, and open 1st. Finger picking pattern remains the same. And finally, measure 8, we bring finger 2 from string 2 to string 3 on the same fret. We add finger 1 on string number 1, fret number 1, and finger 3 on string number 2, fret number 3. That's right, that's the D minor chord again, the very first chord we played in this lesson. And we play the finger picking pattern 1 and 2, and then an open 4th string. So finger picking pattern 1, 2, open 4th. That is thumb, index, middle, ring, middle, index, thumb. And that is lesson 55. I really hope this video has been useful for you. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Keep the practice fun and enjoy the process.